Hi everyone, my name is Elline. I'm owner and founder of LeMetric Real World Hair. We love what we do here, and that not only do we change women's lives, but we become friends with them and they are part of our community. I'm very fortunate that I have a great team who are all very good at what they do, from the cutting to the installation to the color to the styling. And their personalities make it very welcoming for women to want to spend time with us. I need to know the client's lifestyle, the budget, what are her concerns, what is the texture of her hair, the color of her hair, the length of her hair. It doesn't matter to us what and how you choose to wear it. What matters is that it's natural, it's comfortable, and it's easy.